Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out a rare and badass Ford. This is a real deal 1970 Boss 302. This car is well documented, comes with a Marti report and then the Deluxe Marti report breaking down how many cars were built the same way that this one was. And this is one of two as equipped from the factory. It's got the upgraded AM, FM, original radio, which still works. Drivetrain on this, it has its numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission. Engine's non-numbers matching, but date code correct, period correct, 302 engine.
And has all been rebuilt.
Yep.
I bought this from the previous owner that had this car for a long time, had a beautiful 69 Mach, a 67 Fastback. I bought the Mach 1 and this probably a year and a half ago.
Yep.
And we sold this right away. Sold it out east. The guys loved it, put it in his collection, enjoyed it, and just called us back and says, hey, you want to buy it back? I loved it, but I'm done with it.
We said we'd love to. They're hard to find. This one's a really sharp looking car. I love the Calypso Coral.
I'm going to go ahead and shut it off, but just look at it's got a lot of nice options, dude.
It does. Then what I like with the engine compartment on this is it's, looks very correct too with the Autolite battery cover. Even the stampings there on the valve covers, correct valve covers, correct air cleaner, shaker hood.
Bottom of the hood's great. And it's got power steering and power disc brakes. How nice is that?
Yeah, nice options.
It's even got like the correct hoses, built in 69 hoses here. It's a nice car. And when we get around to the back, you'll even see they did it correctly. If the car was built in like California or something like that, they did that black on the inside. That was different. So however that was built that way.
Sharp.
We put brand new dual points in it too, so this has all been tuned up.
The thing with these 302 engines is they roar when you get them RPMs up.
Yeah, they love RPMs.
Yeah.
I'll let you go ahead and do this one, dude.
Good, because there's not too much to point out, so that's a good
It's
one.
an easy one.
Yeah. Hood lines up great. I love the Boss 302 decals on it. Hood fits good. Front bumper chrome looks great. Front spoiler is in good shape. A lot of times those are all beat up, but looks real good on this car. Grill's excellent. Headlights look good.
Heater fan was on. I left the key on a little bit. Yeah, that hood fits great. How about the stance? How about the tire size on it? It just sits awesome. They're just tucked in beautifully. When we owned this the first time, the guy that bought it just only made it better.
Mm-hmm. Sharp car. Fender, door, rocker all line up really well. Got a little scratch here and it might buff out. It's just seems like it's right there at the top, but there's a little scuff there.
Look at the bottom of the door, how nice that fits.
Yeah, that's excellent. And all the documentation we have with it's pictured up on our website. You can check that stuff out with the Deluxe Marti report.
Corner of the doors, 100% rust free. Guy started with a really good car. Door panel is original, Dalton. See how it's just got a little bit of a, there. Seats have been redone.
Yep,
They look
it's got
beautiful.
the Deluxe seats with the pattern there.
That's kind of rare.
Yeah.
That's probably what makes it rare.
Yep, that and then the AM radio is really what kind of dropped it down to 1 and 2. The AM FM radio, I should say.
Dome lights all work in the back, and the courtesy lights in the door panel works on the driver's side.
Back seats in
Headliner's
excellent
tight.
shape. You can get a good shot of that. Like the rear slats as well.
This is not a rear fold-down seat car.
Very straight up and down the sides. Paint's got a great shine.
Yeah, it's an older paint job, but still, it's buffed out beautifully. Like you said, not a lot of chips and scratches. It's gorgeous. One thing that I would do with it is, it's a nice solid car, but what I would do with it is I'd probably, if I bought it and kept it, I would change out the exhaust. The exhaust system is old in it.
Yep.
And that's an easy thing to, and it's your own personal preference. Let me grab the keys here. I want to show you what I'm talking about in the trunk.
Even this area, the sail areas.
And how gorgeous is this? The blacked out here, okay? And the paint on the back, bumpers, all that. This is what I'm talking about. So like in here, see that? This was like the guy that told me, he did a lot of research, and I think it was like a California built car or something like that. It would have had that.
And those
different
plants
lines
there.
there. Yep, on the paint markings.
Fascinating. It's It's got the right propper there for the trunk. 50/50 spare. Nice.
The trunk lid's nice too, all the way across.
Yeah, nice straight car. Wheel lips are all nice, very solid. Tires have great tread.
Yeah, I don't really see, I know it's kind of hazy, but I don't see anything really for paint imperfections, any bubbles, blisters, really any chips to speak of.
No.
Yeah, beautiful behind the quarter. Over the wheel well is awesome. Corner of the doors fit great into that.
Yeah, door fits.
quarter.
Couldn't make it fit any better.
Back of the hood fits good as well.
Maybe there's a tiny, tiny little chip right there on the edge. That's about all. Yeah, good stance, cool car.
Here's your door. Again, corner of the door looks good. The jam paint's nice.
We do have the 2 tags, the original tag and then the one you get from Marti.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a sticker, so we have that.
We have both of them.
Yep.
They just come with it.
Yep, that way it doesn't risk getting screwed up or lost.
Yeah, seats are awesome. All right, let's take it for a spin, shall we? The Deluxe, and it's got the Deluxe stereo.
Yeah, you might want to close your little air vent so you don't get cold going down there. It's right there to your left.
Yeah, hey, you got it, Japin. Yep. So it's got the Deluxe speaker too, which is pretty cool. I think that's factory, isn't it? Yeah, both sides. So the Deluxe stereo, AM, FM, like you said, it works.
At 4 p.m. Eastern.
It's cool.
Don't need to hear that though. Factory tack works. Gas gauge works. Dome lights all work under the dash, both sides and in the back and in the door panel. Wipers got new blades, they work perfect as well. There's one crack in the speaker cover, Dalton. Other than that, that dash pad is perfect. It's not a cap, it's a pad. See it?
Nice.
And even the wood grain and stuff's great. It's got 88,367 original miles. Nice tight car.
And again, numbers matching tranny too.
Heater works. Okay, we're gonna leave that on. Heater fan works great. The only thing that don't work is the horn or what? Oh yeah, it works. It works. Temp gauge, we'll find out here in a little bit if that's working properly. What's this, dude? Oh, here's your
Choke.
choke.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell that is. Seems like it turns. Not sure.
All right. Our phone's getting low here, so we're gonna try to we've done like 10 videos today. We've run down a full charge on a phone, and our mics are getting pretty low too.
This last one.
Yep.
Mic is not working.
That's right. We'll just get you on the phone audio. I don't know what's more tired of doing videos, our equipment or us.
Well, the big thing is we want to get all these
Yeah.
videos on for you guys so you know what you're buying. Yep. But so far, everyone has been, not just because they're ours, but everyone mechanically have been awesome.
impressed with,
you know, very impressed.
Nice shift.
Yeah, that's 3,500 RPM, second gear, 50 mile an hour.
I guess what Justin and Brent were saying, when this thing really rips, it's around 4,000 or 5,000 RPM.
Yeah, that's what they do. Yeah, that's every boss I've ever had. That's what these 302s are meant for. You know, same thing with your real Z28 Camaros, which we haven't had very many, but they like RPMs. They're not a takeoff car, but like right now, you see it? You felt it. That was after 4, then it just wants to climb. I shifted about 4,800, but they could take a lot of RPMs. Here's 3,000. Get on some dry pavement, maybe. See how they want to climb at 80 at 4,500. Then we're going to shift. We're at 3,500 at 80 and 4. But look at the synchros of it. That original tranny, obviously it's been rebuilt. Here's your brakes. There's your ASIC big shoes.
Yeah, getting a little bit of the brake and the gas there with big shoes.
I knew we were doing videos today when I put those big suckers on too, but those wide ones. We'll wait for him. How about the heater? Works perfect. No heater leak.
Glove box is nice. Glove box light, I think works too. Yeah, these are sweet cars.
Another thing with the bosses, they don't have like like super low gears and everything. Like, yeah, I mean, but there's 70 mile an hour already in third, 75, 80, that fast.
It's a cool car. Just the design too. I love the shaker hood. Fantastic color.
The way it handles, the way everything works, including the radio, heater, horn, you name it. Temp gauge is coming up, that works as well. Turn signal indicators work. What a quality car.
It is.
Like I said, the exhaust sounds great. It just doesn't look as good anymore. It's 20 years old. So that would be the only thing I'd do to it, D.
Yeah. Cool car. Thanks for watching. Check this one out in more detail on our site, CoyoteClassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.